If you're buying a nose hoop online, you'll usually see two common gauge options, 18 gauge and 20 gauge. And if you're not sure what that means, don't worry. It's simpler than it looks. Gauge is the thickness of the hoop. The slightly confusing part is that a smaller gauge number means a thicker piece of jewelry. So 18 gauge is thicker than 20 gauge. For nostril piercings, both 18 gauge and 20 gauge are common, but they give a slightly different look. 20 gauge is thinner and more delicate. It can look very minimal, light and subtle. If you like a fine, barely there gold hoop, 20 gauge is often the look people are imagining. 18 gauge is a little thicker. It can look slightly more defined, a bit more solid, and sometimes more balanced if you don't want the hoop to disappear visually. So which one should you choose? The safest answer is choose the gauge that matches your heeled piercing. If you're already wearing 20 gauge jewelry comfortably, stay with 20 gauge. If your piercing was made or fitted for 18 gauge, stay with 18 gauge. Don't choose a thicker gauge just because you like the look, unless you know your piercing can comfortably take that size. A thicker hoop is not just a style choice. It needs to match the piercing channel.
From a visual point of view, think of it like this. 20 gauge is delicate and subtle. 18 gauge is still minimal, but a little more noticeable. Neither one is automatically better. It depends on what your piercing is used to and what kind of look you want. At STEPOY, we make 14K solid gold seamless hoops for heeled piercings in multiple gauges, including 18 gauge and 20 gauge, because one thickness does not fit everyone. So before you buy, check two things: your current gauge and the look you prefer. That will save you from buying a hoop that is beautiful but not right for your piercing.